What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Roelof Salomons, Chief Investment Strategist for the Netherlands at the BlackRock Investment Institute. This week, we explain why we're broadening our pro-risk view by upgrading European equities. European equity gains have outpaced the US to start 2025. We see several catalysts that could boost cheap European valuations. Yet, we still expect the US to reclaim its leadership. With a lot of bad news priced into European equities, even prospects of good news could help push them higher. A de-escalation in the Ukraine war could lower energy prices further, boosting European growth and lowering inflation. Other catalysts include rising defense spending and potential fiscal loosening. The outperformance of US equities over the global peers has sped up in the last decade. Even as we expect US tech to keep driving returns, we still see signs of US earnings strength broadening. Risk assets could weather the higher growth and higher inflation mix we see possible. Markets have embraced our view that interest rates will stay high for longer. Yet we expect investors to demand more return for the risk of holding long-term bonds. In China, apparent efficiency gains by AI startup DeepSeek have driven a surge in China's tech sector. We keep our modest tactical overweight to Chinese equities, as tech excitement could keep driving returns. Over the longer term, we are more wary, given structural challenges to China's growth and tariff risks. Here's our market take. We stay overweight US equities, even with a softer start to 2025. Yet we think their lead over global peers could narrow this year. We go neutral European stocks and still favor European financials. Yet we think structural issues like lagging competitiveness and potential US tariffs justify some of Europe's hefty valuation discount. We go further underweight long-term US Treasuries. For further details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you've enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com